Hi, welcome to Tableau 101. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can replace a reference in Tableau and how it works and what it'll do. So in this example, we have a calculation created that is called price per sale, but the actual calculation is wrong uh, because we use discount here as an example, but we should be using the quantity. And let's say you had used by accident discount in a lot of other calculations. So in a normal way, you would go and change this to quantity. But there's an easier way of doing it, um, which you need to be careful with. But you can, for example, say right click on quantity and then replace all references that have the calculation, that have the field quantity in the calculation with, sorry, actually it's the other way around, with discount, with quantity. What Tableau will do, it will replace everywhere you used discount with quantity. So if we do that, you'll see once that is changed and we go back to the calculation, you'll see quantity in here. But you need to be careful because in certain instances you might want to keep discount in the actual calculation. So you need to see which one is easier to do if you want to replace discount or do it manually in all the other ones. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.